Hello, my name is Marty Siddell. I am the business manager for Collaborative Robots. We are here at the NASCC show displaying our Cooper Cobot solution. So what we have here on display is our CRX25IA. It is one of the largest cobots in its class with a 74-inch reach. The cobot also, we have our PowerWave R450 and our 4R220 feeder. What separates us from our competition is the Cooper app. So we make cobots very simple and very easy to program. We call it CLICK CLICK WELD. We did all the program for you. All you got to do is identify the arc start and the arc end. All those air moves we're programming it for you. So when you grab it, you move it, we're recording all those air moves. We offer a wide variety of custom solutions with the cobots. So with the shortage of skilled labor in the United States, especially welders, meet your new coworker.